आने में थोड़ी सी कठिनाई है। तो ये सब आपस में संबंधित विषय है, इनको ओवरऑल देखना चाहिए।
One by one, please. Yes.
Sir, I have only heard them and I have said we will look into the matter.
Yes, sir.
Column today which is making a fresh case for further cuts, policy rate cuts.
Well, as an eminent economist, he has a view and he's expressed it.
Is the government
About the available of a number of projects that have been stuck, particularly due to the finance.
You see, the Secretary Financial Services, why hazard a guess? And in fact, I had taken a notional figure if it could be this high, and then I was told it was not that high. So there are, we are going to look at the big ones, which are stuck up because of these reasons, and many of them we felt could be solved. For instance, to call representatives of the state governments, the concerned departmental ministry, the concerned banks, the 2-3 principal banks which are funding it, and resolving it on the table. I think this exercise in the next few days the Secretary would start undertaking, and where other ministries and states are involved, I would personally be present in those meetings.
One by one. Yes.
देखिए, बैंक जब डाइवेस्ट करते हैं तो बाजार की हालत और बाजार की स्थिरता को देखते हुए करेंगे, तो उपयुक्त समय पर उनको ये स्वायत्तता है कि अपना निर्णय लें।
number of banks were capitalized based on certain parameters. It was criticized that these parameters are too narrow. So in today's meeting, was there a discussion about broadening the parameters?
No.
No, please.
Would you link capital infusion to performance of the banks, and what happens to small banks in that case who are not even doing capital market?
Well, I am not giving any room for speculation to you, even though some suggestions inside were made to that effect.
Last, yeah, please.
देखिए, उसमें अभी हमारा टारगेट 31 दिसंबर तक 2 करोड़ का है, और उसमें क्योंकि सरकार एक बड़ी सब्सिडी भी दे रही है आरंभ में, उसकी शुरुआत बैंक्स ने अभी की है। उसकी गाइडलाइंस बनाने के बाद अभी तक 2 लाख लोग उसमें लगभग जुड़े हैं। देखिए, मैंने उनके पहले सवाल का संकेत दिया।
सनी, यू कैन आस्क सनी।
नहीं, पारदर्शिता तो है, जो भी वो रेट कट करती है वो सार्वजनिक घोषणा करते हैं बैंक।
एनपीएस का जो अभी पोजीशन जो होगा, इट विल बी रिकवर्ड। आपने बोला 2-4 महीने और भी समय लेंगे।
आई थिंक द बैंक मेंशन, बैंकों का ये कहना था कि 2-3 क्वार्टर्स और लगेगा कि उनको कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन तक पहुंचने में।
लास्ट क्वेश्चन यार, प्लीज।
You see, after all, the banks will take efforts, stalled projects, capital infusion, ये सारे NPS को कम ही करते हैं ना।
Thank you, friends.
Okay, so that's the finance minister. No direct promise coming in on PSU bank recapitalization. However, he says that banks have made a very strong case and it merits the government to go into details and actually look at it. Of course, it will require cabinet approval if additional funds are to be earmarked this year for recapitalization of PSU banks. The finance minister is also saying the bankers have given him some sort of an idea that perhaps better transmission of interest rates will happen. The cuts that we've seen from RBI will happen over the next couple of weeks. Another key takeaway perhaps to keep in mind is that the finance ministry at the highest level will be looking at specific stalled projects that are stalled only for want of funds, only because of financial constraints, and they will try and debottleneck some of these projects and get them off the ground. And last but not the least, of course, the whole talk on NPAs, as the finance minister was just reiterating, it seems the bankers have given him an indication the problem will take another 2 to 3 quarters to get solved. Those are the highlights. We'll take